Hello, young ones. Welcome to the African Savanna where our story begins. Meet Fisi, the clever hyena known for his mischievous tricks and antics. One hot afternoon, Fisi stumbled upon an old, dried-up piece of meat. His mouth watered, but he quickly realized it wouldn't be enough to satisfy his hunger. About to eat it, a brilliant idea popped into his crafty mind. I have a plan, Fisi thought. Fisi trotted over to the nearby watering hole where the other animals gathered. He put on his saddest face and limped towards them, clutching the old piece of meat. Oh, Simba, I'm so lucky today. I found this piece of meat, but it's too tough and dry to eat. I bet the old meat is too tough for you to eat, Fisi said. Simba, the proud lion, took the bait. I can eat anything. Give it to me, Simba declared. Simba grabbed the old piece of meat and started to gnaw on it, struggling but determined to prove his strength. He ate and ate until his stomach started hurting. He lay on his back with his stomach protruding towards the sky, unable to move. Simba, are you all right? Would you like me to finish that meat for you? Fisi asked. Grumbling, Simba reluctantly handed over the meat. Fisi, so happy and content that he got what he wanted, ended up with fresh meat instead of the old piece. He enjoyed a hearty meal while Simba learned a valuable lesson, not to be greedy and overestimate his abilities. And so the tale of Simba and his encounters with Fisi's tricks became a story told to all the young animals, teaching them about the dangers of greed. Remember, young ones, he who wants more and more can lose all.
Hear the drums and the gently play. I'll win my way. It's a fun time in the African way. Simba the lion, strong and grand. Fisi the hyena had a clever plan. Simba rode, thinking he won, but Fisi tricked him, having fun. I'll win my way. Hear the drums and the djembe play. I'll win my way. It's a fun time in the African way. Simba was greedy and paid the price. Fisi was clever, quick and